Hey guys, if you've been following along, then you know that I have been slowly making some improvements to my studio and making some upgrades to be able to continue telling the stories I want to tell, since I can't be out touring, playing shows all over the United States. If you want to follow along with the progress that we're making, make sure that you subscribe to the channel down below. And when you hit the subscribe button, click that bell next to it. That way you get notified whenever we release a new video. Well, we just got some new equipment that will help improve my speaker playback situation. I'll show you what it looks like now. Here is my studio setup right now, specifically my speakers. See how they sit right on my desk? Well, that means when I'm sitting at my computer, they're pointed right at my belly. Not so good. All right, today we are opening up the Stageek desktop speaker stands. Let's see what we've got here. Some feet. Some more feet. And the stands themselves. Let's install them. All right, I'll show you what I actually did. Here are those rubber feet. And you just stick them in the corner there. And I doubled them up just to get that extra pitch. There you go. So I'm going to double these up on both sides. There you go. Now let's mount the other speaker. All right, here's the other speaker. Let's get this on the stand. There you go. All right, that looks a whole lot better. And there's a little bit of room underneath those monitors if I need just a little bit of extra desk space. I dig them. They look sharp. All right, thank you so much for tuning in. Appreciate it. Follow along and you can see the improvements I make over time. And I think it'll be a cool progression to look back and see how one man changed one tiny little studio and made it far more interesting. Thank you so much, you guys. Oh, and also stay tuned because we have a new music video and a new video in the series of how to make a living in music coming out every single week. So make sure you tune in. All right, thanks.